Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a status update on or a note on Messenger. So here I've already on the Messenger app, and if you want to leave a note so your friends can see it, there are two ways that you can do. The first one is you can just click on your note in here. So you can just leave a note or share a thought in here. For example, I'm going to just board, and you can also add a music if you want to. So that's the first way, and the second way is that you can just click on the three lines icon at the top left corner, go to the settings, and there will be this option leave a note. So tap on that. You can see that it's the same like before. You can add a note and add music. For example, I'm going to add this music right here. You can choose the part of the music, click on done, and after that click on share at the top. So after that, here when you go back, so the music will be shown as long as the note that I wrote before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.